Uh-oh.
Shh! Did you hear that? It sounds like an engine. Is it a bird? No. Is it a plane? Let's see if we can find what's making that vroom. Vroom sound.
Not yet. Let's see if we can find what's making this orange car go vroom. No, not the drifting. Oh, the race! Yes, kids, this is what making the orange car go vroom. Kids, the orange car is winning, clearly. Grab your steering wheels. Beep, beep. When I say red bus, you say honk, honk. Stop for those people, you silly. Another red bus. Look, kids, it's a musical bus. Catch those notes. A fire truck? This one colors our world. Did you hear the siren? Put your helmets, everyone! Fire truck is on the way! Woo, kids! Whoa! Rainbow sparkles! All aboard! Sing with me! The wheels on the train goes round and round, round and round. The wheels on the train goes round and round, all day long. Choo choo! A green good train, kids! Look, the magical tunnel! Wow, our train has changed the color! Can you name this new color of our train? Look there! Did you see how fast that was? That white plane is loud. Whoosh! Say with me. Whoosh! Whoosh! A perfect landing. Bye-bye. See you next time, kids.